So when I think about flowers, I think about flowers that are connected still to a plant, and I don't really like giving flowers too much. I know my mum loves them and my wife loves them, but I prefer just to give them a full plant, and then they get a plant for the entire year. But on Mother's Day, I generally make an exception, and today was the same. We went to the Subi Blooms, which was a display piece of all the best Perth florists. They all did like these sections, and you could walk to them and get photos with it. And yeah, no, they're pretty cool. So here they are.